How to change language on Viber. Would you like to use Viber in a different language? Follow this quick guide to update your language settings in the app. Open the Viber app and tap on 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, choose the General option. Find Language and tap on it. A list of supported languages will appear. Browse through the options and select your preferred language. To confirm your choice, tap the check mark in the top right corner. The language will change instantly and you can start using Viber in the language you selected. That's all it takes. Now you can enjoy Viber in your chosen language. For more helpful tutorials, make sure to follow.